The Watershed Yatra and Self-Help Group Mela under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana Watershed Development Component 2.0 was flagged off today at the State Central Library in Shillong. The event, organized by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation, Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency, aims to conserve and restore vital resources, soil and water, while promoting community-driven watershed management. Agriculture Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingda, who inaugurated the program, emphasized the importance of water and soil conservation in ensuring Meghalaya's agricultural sustainability. She highlighted the state's vulnerability to water scarcity despite its reputation for heavy rainfall, stressing the need for collective action.
Water and soil are the lifelines of agriculture, and their preservation is our responsibility. Meghalaya is known for its famous rainfall, but come February, March, we are all reeling under acute water shortage. We must therefore embark upon these kinds of convergent programs with the involvement of the community, the involvement of church leaders, the involvement of the civil society. We have realized that if there is no conservation of the water, we will continue to suffer as a state, and with 70+% of the population engaged in farming activities, there is an urgent need for line departments to converge together to manage the water and conserve it for use of the community. We know now that because agriculture is a lifeline, we have to take necessary measures, and several departments are engaged in several undertakings to ensure that we sustain this water throughout the annual usage and use of water. The Watershed Yatra is a symbol of our commitment to reach every district in the state. We need to educate the communities around us so that they will protect, in the interest of everyone, the water that we receive. We also have to make sure that we engage in infrastructure building. We engage with the community, we give them tools, we teach them various procedures so that all of this conservation will enable us to maintain the green coverage across the state, which is so important, especially in the debates of climate change. In Meghalaya, SWCD is implementing the PMS-KSY WDC 2.0 program, and we are participating and engaging with not less than 1,200 SHGs across the state. This investment in community participation has yielded positive results. Today, we are able to reclaim barren land and reuse it, improving soil quality, improving nutritional value of our soil, so that farmers may gainfully build on a farming practice which will sustain their livelihoods.
The Watershed Yatra is a mobile awareness campaign that will travel across Meghalaya, covering all districts. It will educate communities on water conservation, land restoration, and sustainable agricultural practices. Commissioner and Secretary, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Joram Beda, highlighted Meghalaya's success in implementing the PMKSY WDC 2.0 noting that the state consistently ranks among the top 10 performers nationwide.
Now you're a farmer. Very good. Very good. I'll join you.
Madam, we have a small sample for you from the board.
Like refreshment after the program. So may I
Thank you
request
so
our-
much. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. In fact, I should be mine.
No, madam.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So lovely, Tessa. In the meanwhile, you engage with them and then they also go
This
ahead.
is the money we give, seed money. It's from our money. In this one. And
And this
ADB
is
will
like-
be giving even more.
Very good.
This is the
Very
livelihood activity.
Wow. So nice.
careful,
So
Baba,
nice. So nice. So nice. Ah, I saw
Catherine,
most
you
of them
can
when I. Sila sedang someone.
Their SLSC only we get the approvals. I'm telling ma'am.